Hello everyone and welcome back to my daily report market videos with me, JPY market analyst at Hantec on Tuesday, 9th of July. Let's look at dollar yen, which seems to be forming this base pattern, this head and shoulders reversal, which I've been speaking about, the 108.50 resistance area that the market failed consistently at in June. Actually, that was an old low from February, but the market failed consistently to be able to close above that. Intraday moves above it, but failed into the close. But then look at that strong bull candle yesterday. Really does suggest that closing at 108.70, pushing up 108.80, that the market is now turning a corner. 108.85 currently where we sit. As I said on the morning report, a close above 108.80, which was that reaction high from June. A closing breach of that level, I think, really does change this or complete this pattern. This recovery pattern, which is being led by the momentum indicators. Look at the RSI, 57. That's the highest since late April, so that's a 2.5 month high. Similarly, on the stochastics, accelerating higher, as are the MACD line. So this is in recovery mode decisively now. And you go 108.50 to 108.80, you could argue, certainly on a closing breach of 108.80. 108.50 to 108.80 becomes a basis of support, underlying demand, the breakout level. Now you start to calculate the recovery potential from this base pattern. It is about 200 pips deep, so you project that higher towards 110.80. Look at that, 110.65 is that key May high, so that becomes certainly back into view. You've got the overhead supply of 109.70 to 110 figure area of this trading from January through to May, so that becomes the next real barrier, 109.70 to 110 figure area. Initially, resistance is 109 figure, that reaction low from May, but it is certainly building for a recovery. I mean, I talked last week about the downtrend that was broken. We've got the 21-day moving average, which had been the basis of resistance, turning higher now. So that is now going to also be seen as supportive on the way into any sort of intraday weakness and corrections. But you can see here higher lows, higher highs, developing 108.65 area of basis of support initially. Weakness being bought into. There's a very slight, and I would say this just as a minor caveat, very slight negative divergence on the RSI and MACD lines, something to perhaps keep an eye on. But you've got a nice basis of support, the old pivot of 108.15. I think this is building nicely now. So I wish you good luck in your trading today. Don't forget, as I said previously, we've got this trading webinar at 11 o'clock UK time that you can sign up to on our website. Please go to sign up, and with that in mind, I will wish you good luck in your trading today, and I'll speak to you later.